A good reader is a good speaker. Let's enhance reading skills in children through story reading. Thanks for your like. Subscribe to stay connected. Once upon a time, there lived a mouse and a frog, who were the best of friends. Every morning, the frog would hop out of the pond to visit the mouse, who lived inside the hole of the tree. He would spend time with the mouse, and go back home. One day, the frog realized that he was making too much of an effort to visit the mouse, while the mouse never came. To meet him at the pond. This made him angry. And he decided to make things right by forcefully taking him to his house. When the mouse wasn't looking, the frog tied a string to the mouse's tail and tied the other end to his own leg and hopped away. The mouse started getting dragged with him. Then, the frog jumped into the pond to swim. However, when he looked back, he saw that the mouse had started to drown and was struggling to breathe. The frog quickly untied the string from his tail and took him to the shore. Seeing the mouse with his eyes barely open made the frog very sad. And he immediately regretted pulling him into the pond. Don't take revenge because it can be harmful to you.